Why interval training boosts cycling endurance?
Interval training involves alternating between bursts of high effort and periods of recovery. This approach challenges both your cardiovascular system and muscles, leading to significant gains in stamina and speed. Compared to steady rides, intervals push your body to adapt faster, making them ideal for cyclists aiming to improve endurance efficiently. They're suitable for all levels, from beginners to experienced riders.
Key benefits of cycling interval workouts.
Interval workouts increase your aerobic capacity, power, and fatigue resistance. By repeatedly working at high intensity, your heart and lungs become more efficient, and your legs develop strength for climbs and sprints. Intervals also burn more calories and keep training sessions engaging. Over time, you'll notice faster recovery after hard efforts and better overall bike performance.
Sample structured plan. 4 weeks to better endurance.
Begin with 2 interval sessions per week, alongside regular easy rides. Start each session with a 10-minute warm-up. Then, try 4 sets of 3 minutes hard effort, followed by 3-minute easy spins. Gradually increase to 6 sets, or extend hard efforts to 4 minutes as you progress. Finish with a cool-down. Consistency is more important than intensity. Listen to your body.
Important tips for safe and effective intervals.
Warm up thoroughly before each session to prepare your body for hard work. Focus on maintaining good form even during tough intervals. Track your progress with a bike computer or app, but don't worry about hitting precise numbers at first. Rest between sessions to allow recovery, and hydrate well. If you're new to intense training, consult a professional or coach for guidance.
How to continue progress and avoid plateaus.
As your fitness grows, challenge yourself by increasing interval length, shortening recovery, or adding more sets. Mix in longer rides or hill intervals to keep things fresh. Every 4 to 6 weeks, reduce training intensity for a week to let your body fully recover. This is when improvements take hold. With dedication, interval training can elevate both your cycling endurance and enjoyment.